This gutter adapter that takes this gutter aluminum downspout to the pipe, it's made so it keeps the aluminum downspout tight to the house, which you want. If it's pulled away from the house, it looks unsightly. But unfortunately, this has to step in away from the pipe. These are never made with enough slope. Water needs a lot of slope so that you can keep the part slippery and the water doesn't come spraying out. Now here's the other side of that garage. We have another downspout. You see that leaf? That leaf? That tells me the water's shooting up out of here because it can't get out. And there's a leaf. There's leaves. There's organic material. So this is a problem. You have this adapter that steps over so that the gutter downspout can fit tight to the house, which I like. Now, as far as this problem over here with this gutter adapter, and this just makes me crazy. This gutter adapter is horrible. Just horrible. Where the water just sprays right up and out. I'll show you what our response to that was. We came up with a gutter adapter that fits tight to the house, as you can see. Fits nice and tight to the house. Look at that. That's beautiful. Now, you see this back? You see how long that funneling effect? Look at that. Not to slow the water down, to keep the velocity up. A lot of engineering and a lot of years of experience went into this part. This part will also filter out your leaves, and it also vents. When you chase water with air, the velocity is just crazy when you chase water with air. So when we vented it like this, our flow test went through the roof, how much water we were moving through these systems. And then of course, this is going to catch all the leaves, keep all those big organics out of your system. In the center of it, you can remove it if you want to push a garden hose through and just flush it out once a year for a peace of mind. And if I have to do a camera inspection, which we typically do not on any of our systems, but if, it's super easy to do. So this is a clean out, this is a vent, and this is a downspout adapter to 4-inch pipe. We also have it for 3-inch pipe and 3.5-inch pipe. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this video, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.